Alrighty guys, so we're finally gonna get around to fixing this clutch here on the pit bike. Let's see, I'll pull this back here, you can see how it's broken. So I crashed on the road like a couple weeks ago and that happened. So we got a new clutch lever in here. So yeah, we're gonna throw that on. So first here, I'm gonna take off this tape and get this here out of the way. So we got that out of the way. Now I'm gonna start taking this apart. I will admit I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm sure we'll be able to figure it out. Alright, so I'm just gonna start by taking apart all these bolts here, just unscrewing them and seeing what happens. So we got one here, and then one here. I'm just gonna get those off. Alright, so we got this off here. Okay. Put this down over here. So there's that. Honestly, this here is in good shape, so I might not even need to take that apart. I might just put on a new lever, actually. So I'm gonna figure out how I can get this thing out of here. Alright, so I disconnected the cable from this housing here by rotating these to the circle, or to the slots lined up, so that way I could pull the cord out of it, right? And now I'm just gonna get this here out of this lever so I can put it onto the new one right here. Oh, that was easy. Broken lever here, disconnected from the cable. Comes off real easy. All you gotta do is line it up here, pull it out of that slot right there where that cut is. So there's that there. Now I'm gonna get the new one out of the package here and get that going. Alright, so here's the new one, the one that's not broken, right? Right here. First, we just got to get the cable back into it first. Alrighty, so we got the cable to the clutch back into the new lever here. And so now you just gotta twist this back up so the cable won't come out of it. If you know when you want to unline up the slots, and then I'm gonna put that bolt back through, tighten up, and we should be good. So we see there's lined up. I'm gonna drop this through here. Alright, we got that in there. And we just gotta thread on this guy here, down here. And there we go, like new. We say goodbye to this broken one here. Alright guys, peace out.